You've probably heard the expression that perfect is the enemy of done, right? That perfectionism ironically makes us super unproductive because we are frozen in paralysis because perfectionism doesn't exist for human beings. Been thinking about this because it appears in the therapy office so often. People paralyzed by a really maladaptive, unrealistic, unhealthy sense of perfectionism. Pulled out an oldie but goodie, The Price of Privilege. This book is almost 20 years old, but what it says about affluent communities like the one I sort of live in and high elite educational places, it makes some really good points about how these supposedly great functioning places foster a maladaptive, super harmful sense of perfectionism. A few quotes. Maladaptive perfectionism is driven by an intense need to avoid failure and to appear flawless. It has its roots in demanding, critical, and conditional relationship with one's parents. When approval is conditional on performance, closeness and affection are bound to suffer. Skipping to this part, the tendency of affluent communities to focus on and overly value external measures of accomplishment is directly related to high rates of depression and substance abuse. It is also related to a general sense that living can be unbearably difficult. When people ask me why we lose so many people to despair, to substance use, to anxiety, to depression, to deaths by suicide in good communities, this is at the root of a big part of it. Of course, we are biopsychosocial beings, so there are other reasons which are genetic and social and societal. But our culture of maladaptive, cruel, relentless, unrealistic perfectionism is damaging our mental health.